Hi, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
Green smoothies are the hit. Everyone loves green smoothies. And we're going to be actually blending up our own powder from our vegetables and then making up a little drink.
Okay,
One serve.
you'll start with the powders and I'm going to start with the extras that I like to add into this green drink. A lot of times I'll just take a jar and I'll add a little water. I don't know how much powder you're going to make, so I'm like, that'll be good.
I'm not doing too much. I'm doing about an eighth of a cup of each one.
Couple ice cubes.
See, look at the spinach. It's awesome. I love the spinach.
And limeade. I love the limeade because it really cuts the greens, I find, a lot. I've tasted it with and I've tasted it without, but I think I prefer the greens with limeade. Don't you?
Yeah, me too.
I'll add a little stevia. What are you throwing into our greens? What are we
Okay,
getting?
so what I've got here is I've got asparagus, kale, spinach, broccoli, and zucchini.
All like superfoods.
And I just mix it into like a powder. And this is just a coffee grinder. I can do it in my blender too, but I'm not doing high quantities. I'm just doing the low quantities. So,
And I like adding some kind of a fat, whether it be fish oil, I add an MCT coconut oil. That really helps you to absorb the nutrients actually a lot better when you have a fat with it, and it helps sustain you too.
sorry, I've got still a broad
We don't want
asparagus chunk.
You can do it in a coffee grinder, a blender. I do bulk amount when I prepare it because then I just dump the whole can and blend it up and then I have it on hand. It doesn't get sticky, it just stays nice and light. Okay, we'll add those greens and we'll shake that up. Wait, do you want a dry one?
No.
Oh, that one just did not want to blend down.
So all I put was like an eighth of a cup of each of these ingredients.
Which makes about a cup of powder equals, I think, one to 2 tablespoons of the powder. So we just take that and then we shake it up. I love how green that is. Nice and cold. Let's give it a taste.
Good
I
to
like
go?
it. Oh, I leaked from the. You want to try?
No, it's
They'll have green teeth. Just smile. I love that.
Yeah.
And it gives you energy just for a quick pep. And you can really make your own greens. So this is the way you can do it.
So if you have any suggestions about your green smoothie or a green mix, just comment below and leave us some notes there.
Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get posted every time we do a new video.
And don't forget to like our video.
Yes. And remember, you can do this too.